Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Insureon for business insurance buying authorization step by step clearly. To begin the process of authorizing with Insureon for business insurance buying authorization, visit the Insureon website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page and click it. Fill out the initial form with your basic business information, including your business name, address, and contact details. After submitting the form, you will receive an email prompting you to verify your email address. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, log in to your Insureon account using your credentials. Upon logging in, navigate to the Authorization section in your account dashboard. Read through the terms and conditions presented during the authorization process. Click on the Authorize button to proceed with granting Insureon the necessary permissions. You may be prompted to provide additional information regarding your business and its insurance needs. Fill out any required fields to ensure thorough understanding of your insurance requirements. Review your information for accuracy before proceeding. Once everything is confirmed, submit the authorization request. You will receive a confirmation notification once your authorization request has been processed. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your business insurance options. With your authorization complete, you can now begin reviewing the insurance quotes provided by Insureon. Explore the various coverage options available to find the best fit for your business. Select the insurance policy that meets your requirements and proceed with the purchasing process. Follow any additional prompts to finalize your purchase. After completing your purchase, store your policy documents in a safe place for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.